Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best electric smokers in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Smoke Hollow 26142E. This is our best budget electric smoker. The Smoke Hollow 26142E features a 1500 watt heating element with fully adjustable temperature control. It has 2 chrome-plated cooking grids that can be adjusted to a number of different heights. This lets you get the best performance no matter what you're cooking. This smoker's full-range heat indicator tells you the precise internal temperature so you can track the progress of your food. There are also side handles and a cool touch spring wire door with latch system that opens and closes easily. The porcelain-coated chip tray is incredibly durable and will last for many years with regular use. This smoker has a 1.3 cubic feet total cooking capacity, giving you plenty of room for a wide range of foods. It has a minimum temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum temperature of 325 degrees Fahrenheit. With a total power consumption of 110 volts, you won't have to worry about this smoker running up your utility bill. It measures 17.4 by 19.2 by 35.1 inches with a weight of just 34.7 pounds, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. The features include full-range heat indicator. The thermostat on the front of this smoker tells you the exact temperature at all times. Side handles. This smoker's side handles makes it easy to transport from one area to another. Chrome-plated cooking grids. The cooking grids inside this smoker are durable and very stable. The pros are easily transported. The lightweight design of this smoker makes it easy to transport when necessary. Adjustable temperature controls. It is extremely easy to adjust the temperature so you get the performance you need every single time. Durable. The ultra-strong materials this smoker is made from will provide you with years of regular use. And for the cons, the insulation in this smoker is a bit thin, which allows some heat to escape. Coming in at a little over $100, the Smoke Hollow 26142E is a great overall choice for those who enjoy smoking a variety of meats. It is incredibly sturdy and allows you to adjust the temperature as needed. There's nothing complicated about this smoker whatsoever, making it easy to use. It cooks at a wide range of temperatures, so you shouldn't have any issues. The 4th product on our list is the Masterbuilt MES130B. The Masterbuilt MES130B has digital panel controls that allow you to turn it on and off as well as set the time. You also have 4 chrome-coated smoking racks to cook on. This smoker also has a patented side wood chip loading system that lets you add wood chips without opening the door. The thermostat temperature control gives you even and consistent smoking performance that you can count on every single time. It has a fully insulated body that retains heat for the best possible results. There's even a water bowl that adds moisture and flavor to the meats you cook. This smoker's air damper provides you with precise smoke control, making it easier to cook your meat exactly how you want. You can customize the performance of this smoker with a wide variety of accessories. All you have to do is simply plug this smoker in, set the controls, and let it work. It has a very simple design that even smoking novices won't have any problems with. You'll be able to smoke up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 racks of ribs, or 4 pork butts. The features include digital panel. The digital front panel on this smoker lets you turn it on and off and set the time. Thermostat. The thermostat gives you complete control over the internal temperature. Water bowl. This smoker's water bowl adds moisture to enhance the flavor of the meats you cook. The pros are large capacity. The large capacity of this smoker allows you to cook a ton of meat at once. Easy to use. This smoker has a very simple and easy to use design that isn't complicated in any way. Ample insulation. The thickly insulated body of this smoker means that it retains heat completely for optimal performance. And for the cons, the digital unit on top of the smoker can be inaccurate at times, requiring you to reset it. Coming in at around $170, the Masterbuilt MES130B digital electric smoker is very solid because of cooking equipment. It gives you a variety of modern features, including a digital panel and air damper. All of these things contribute to the excellent overall performance of this smoker. The 3rd product on our list is the Char-Broil 19202-101. The Char-Broil 19202-101 features an insulated double-wall construction that does a remarkable job of keeping heat in at all times. This gives you consistent performance that you can depend on. There's also an advanced control panel with an easy-to-read blue LED display. The removable food thermostat ensures that your meat is always cooked to the proper temperature. This smoker's glass door allows you to monitor the smoke without even having to open the door. You therefore won't have to worry about letting any heat out to check on how your meat is coming along. The large steel locking latch gives you a smoke-tight seal to prevent heat from escaping. One of the best things about this smoker is its 725 square inch capacity. You'll have plenty of space to cook meat, so not having enough room won't be an issue. The 4 adjustable and removable racks can be set exactly how you want and are easy to clean. You get 4 to 7 hours of smoke before having to refill. Using this smoker is incredibly easy and doesn't require you to follow any complicated steps. The features include Advanced Control Panel. This smoker's control panel always shows you the temperature inside the smoker. Warming feature. When the internal temperature of the food reaches the temperature set, your food will be kept warm until removed. Digital controls. The digital controls on this smoker are easy to use and make cooking more convenient. The pros are heavy-duty construction. The double-wall construction of this smoker makes it very durable and well-insulated. No more guesswork. The digital electric design of this smoker eliminates guesswork to make precise cooking even easier. High-capacity smoke box. The 725 square inch capacity of the smoke box gives you lots of room for smoking meat. And for the cons, some customers have reported having issues with the meat probe not working properly after a while. Coming in at around $250, this charbroil smoker has a convenient electric design with digital controls. It gives you complete control over your smoking, allowing you to get the best performance on a consistent basis. You'll be able to set the temperature and monitor your meat without any issues. The second product on our list is the Bradley Smoker BTDS 76P 99216. The Bradley Smoker BTDS 76P 99216 is made of ultra-durable material, including a powder epoxy steel for the interior. This makes it very easy to clean and extremely long-lasting for years of regular use. It is also incredibly easy to assemble right out of the box without any complicated steps to follow. This smoker's digital controls allow you to set the exact temperature you want to cook your meat at. You will also be able to set the time and smoke for precision performance to match all of your needs. There are 4 cooking racks for meat, chicken, pork, fish, and much more. You can get a total of 8 hours of controlled cool smoke, which should be enough for whatever you want to cook. It is controllable up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. This smoker measures 17 by 14 by 31 inches with a generator attached. It weighs a total of 57.5 pounds, so it's not too difficult to move when necessary. The features include digital controls. The digital controls on this smoker make it easy to set the temperature, time, and smoke when you cook. 4 cooking racks. There are 4 cooking racks that you can adjust and remove as needed. Up to 320 degrees. You can cook a variety of meats up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is enough for most purposes. The pros are very sturdy. The steel construction of this smoker makes it very sturdy and durable for years of flawless use without any wear. Easy to set up. This smoker is extremely easy to set up right out of the box, so you can start cooking in no time. Customized design. You can set the digital controls for the perfect temperature, time, and smoke to match your needs no matter what. And for the cons, the relatively small size of the heating element means that it can take a while for this smoker to heat up in cold weather. Coming in at a little under $350, the Bradley Smoker BTDS 76P offers an excellent solution for those who love smoking meat. It has a number of convenient digital controls that allow you to get the exact performance you need every single time. You will also have a larger interior capacity for cooking a lot of meat at once. The first product on our list is the Masterbuilt 277-515. The Masterbuilt 277-515 features a large 730 square inch capacity with 4 chrome-coated racks, giving you plenty of space for smoking meat. It also has an 800-watt heating element with full foam insulation. This means that the heat stays inside the smoker for the best possible performance on a consistent basis. This smoker's blue LED display makes reading temperatures and cooking time in direct sunlight very easy. You also have the ability to monitor temperature, time, and meat temperature remotely with the remote control. This device also lets you turn the smoker on and off from anywhere within range. The redesigned from Access drip pane and wood chip loading system delivers smooth operation at all times. There's also a top air damper to make your meat more savory and delicious. The handle and rear wheels on this smoker make it easy to move around. There's an internal light that allows you to see clearly inside, so you always know how your meat is doing. This eliminates the need to constantly open the door, which lets heat out and slows the cooking process. The features include a window. The window in the door of this smoker lets you see inside at all times to check on how your meat is coming along. Remote control. You can use the remote control to monitor the temperature and time within a reasonable distance. LED display. The blue LED display is bright and visible even in direct sunlight, displaying the temperature and time with each cook. The pros are easy to clean. The removable racks in this smoker make it very easy to clean whenever necessary. Large capacity. You will have tons of room for cooking large quantities of meat at once. Strong construction. The heavy-duty construction of this smoker makes it incredibly durable and long-lasting for years of cookouts. And for the cons, this smoker sometimes trips the circuit it is plugged into, which can be annoying. Coming in at around $750, this master-built smoker has a highly efficient and powerful design that is great for smoking any type of meat. It can be easily transported due to the side handles and wheels. There's even a remote control, so you don't have to constantly be by it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.